Okay guys, show everybody how deep the snow is. Abby, why are you going over there? That's deep. Okay everybody, we got drowned in snow this weekend and the Skippies just love it. Mommy doesn't, but they wanted to come out and play in it and show you what they got to play in, I guess. They got their paths. We had to shovel them out paths so they could get out to go to the bathroom. Looks like the snow's almost as deep as Jasmine is. Okay, that's Jasmine and JJ. There's Ebony Jade. And there's Sasha Cool. Ebony's trying to walk through the snow. It's over her belly. Come on, Abby. Get over there. Guys ready to go in? And that would be the end of the Skippy Snow Adventure.